Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting this simplest super fun meadow, and for that I did use this Hahnemuller watercolor book, sketchbook, and for the brushes I used Panart number 8 mob brush, Raphael number 8 round brush. Also for the watercolors I used Viviva color sheets, burnt umber, sap green, magenta, some violet, yellow ochre, and I did use this Micron 03 ink pen and pencil and needed eraser to erase my pencil lines later on. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm gonna start with just blocking my sketch, just drawing those simple, super simple flowers. I want to see how it will look on my paper. They're super simple. You can start with the ink straight away, but I did want to just place them on a paper, see how they look, and then later on I will be adding ink and just making it a little bit more detailed. Some different shapes of the flowers. Again, you can draw whatever flowers you like and whatever you like. Just draw a couple of circles for the butterflies, and then starting off with the inking, going on top of my sketch first, and later on I will be adding more details. Couple of grasses at the bottom, and my little butterflies, simple, number 3, and I guess reverse number 3 for the butterflies. Some bit more of the foliage, and then with the kneaded eraser I'm gonna erase all of that and then add a bit more details, stylize a little bit more my drawing. Also adding a couple of more flowers that I didn't draw with my pencil if I see that I need some more. And a bit more ink to those that I already have. Just making some lines a little bit thicker, but I do want to keep it quite simple. I don't want to overdo or go overboard with my inking. I do want to keep this very, very simple and very, very basic. So I'm not going to be adding too much ink and just going, well, overboard with that. And a little bit stylizing to my butterflies to make them a little bit more interesting. Finishing touches, and with that we are done with our inking. So moving on to the watercolors, I'm gonna add a little bit of the green at the bottom, mix in some burnt umber with it, and then some magenta. And paint in my flowers. Again, we don't have to stay within the lines. We're gonna make this quite loose, so you can go outside your edges and outside the shapes of our flowers. Some little bit more of the yellow, violet, and some splatters to make it a little bit more loose. You can also paint in the leaves, some more splatters with the green. A little bit more of the pink, why not? And a little bit more of the yellow to warm it all. Some burnt umber, a little bit more at the bottom. And just with these couple of last touches, I'm gonna finish this off. So you can see, quite super fun, simple. Just, you know, do it however you like it. Just have fun with it. And you can also use this idea to make cards or make bookmarks. That's also a legit idea. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, comment, maybe hype it. I would really appreciate that. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye!